And welcome back to another episode of AATT. Today we have Stanislav and Princess Anna. We're gonna open up four surprises. Let's start with this one. It's Peppa. Now we can have a Peppa Pig with SpongeBob. Let's put her back here. Let's open up an orange one. We got a candy cat. Oh, done. And let's open up the final giant surprise egg. Yeah, we got a. Oh no, Susie's missing her arm. Let's open up the last one. Here it is. Oh, we keep on getting Peppa Pig toys. Oh well. Okay. Okay. See? Well. Click on the picture to watch another fun toy video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.